You. Boo.
Well, don't poke your stick in the eye, Lily.
Boo. Hey. Boo.
Hey, baby. Can I see teeth? Nanny wants to see some teeth. Hi. There they are. There's your teeth. 2 teeth on the bottom. Hi. Oh, don't get grumpy. I'm gonna pick her up. Here's my big old booty. There's my big old booty. Hey, baby. Hi, baby. There's the camera. Yeah. Whoa. No. You do whatever it takes to get what you want, don't you? So you'll just... Pick her up, Laura. She's coming.
No. I got her.
She is 17 pounds, 8.5 ounces. So she is a hoss.